everybody. Good morning. It is Sunday. Sunday morning. It is 6 o'clock. I'm tired. I gotta get my kitchen back together. Well, it is together, but back together. Back together over here. So I gotta pour this stuff out from Thanksgiving, put this liquor out, get my island back together. What do I need to do? Why are they so yellow? Look at how many don't turn yellow. I don't know, they were doing so good. Jeez. And I'm constantly pulling dead leaves off. This is how it's supposed to look. All right, y'all, the living room is back together. I just gotta shine my mirror because it is dusty. There, it looks so good. It's back together.
For a big one, two teams.
All right, y'all, so we watching football.
And it was intended for Campbell. The ball was tipped at the line. Let's talk about this Eagles offense a little bit here, Tony.
All right, y'all, I am done for the day. We finna sit back and watch some football. See y'all tomorrow. Please hit that like and subscribe and share and hit that notification. I would appreciate it. Bye, homebodies.